Are you a lazy person that wants to get money by just doing nothing? Sounds like dreaming, right? Don't worry, because today I will make that dream come true. For today, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on 5 best earning apps which can earn $600 per day by not doing anything. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. If you have those, then you can start earning money after this tutorial. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, because I assure you, after watching this, you can earn passive income right away. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything on how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Now let's return to the video. The first app I'd like to show you is called TV2.com. And the app's concept is very simple. You only need to click, play, and watch the video to start earning money. This is something you can do on your television or your mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Now, as promised, here is a bonus tip. In order to maximize your potential earnings with the app, you must click and play the videos and allow them to play in the background on multiple devices. You can then do this while doing something you enjoy, while studying, or even while sleeping. So all you have to do is first download the TV2 app on your smartphone. If you're using an Android phone, you can search for this app right here in the Google Play Store. As you can see, nearly 400,000 people tried it. The best thing about this app is that it has almost 5-star rating on the Google Play Store. Judging by the fact that it has nearly 400,000 downloads, which is simply incredible. Now that you've downloaded the app, make sure to open it on your phone or connect it to your television so you can start watching videos and earning real money. There are literally thousands of videos and channels from which to make money. Once again, this app is called TV2. Appkarma.io is the name of the second app where you can earn money by doing nothing. You can earn rewards by playing with apps, as you can see here. And it's completely free. When you download and install this app, you will be able to make money without doing anything. You can get 300 points instantly, which equates to $3 USD for doing nothing. This is available for both Android and iOS devices. As promised, here is an extra tip. Log into your account every single day, so all you have to do is open this app and claim your daily rewards. And this is how you can make money by simply doing nothing every day. On this app, you can earn various achievement badges that will multiply your earnings, allowing you to earn double or even triple your money right now. And one last thing, Appkarma allows you to refer your friends by sharing your invite link and earn 30% of what your friends earn. As an example, if you refer someone and then earn $100, you will receive $30 for free without doing anything. All you have to do is first download Appkarma on your mobile phone. If you have an Android phone, you can search for this app in the Google Play Store right here. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This is a very simple app to use, but you can earn money in a variety of ways, including by playing games. You can also earn money by scratching off cards. Don't forget to log in every day to claim your daily rewards. This app is called Appkarma once more. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. The third app I'd like to show you is cashforminutes.com. You can earn money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts with this app. And you can get your money every week because they now offer weekly payouts in a variety of payment options. As you can see here, speedy payments. You have the option of making weekly or monthly payments via bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon vouchers for quick payments. Because they have global access, this app is available worldwide. So all you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection to get started. Basically, this is how it works. To begin, you must create a free account on Cash for Minutes. Simply create a profile and connect your phone number to this app. After that, you can begin listening to various radio broadcasts and earning money. Another way to earn money with this app is to refer friends. As you can see, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of whatever they make. Furthermore, you will earn 1% of everything that the people they introduced make too. You can now leave your referral links in the video description. In that way, you can use each other's links to make money all together. SlideJoy is the fourth app on the list. The reason this app pays you money for doing nothing is that they will show you advertisements on your mobile phone. SlideJoy is making money from these advertisements. This app has been featured in a number of major companies. As you can see, once you download this app on your mobile phone, SlideJoy will reward you with cash-like rewards simply for using their lock screen. On the first screen of your phone, they will display the most recent trending news as well as interesting personalized ads. You don't need to do anything else. Simply go about your normal day, swipe, unlock, use, and finally redeem your awesome cash rewards or gift cards. All you have to do now is download the SlideJoy app to your smartphone. You can find this app in the Google Play Store by searching for it right there. This is how the logo appears. Make certain that you download the appropriate apps. This one has gotten great reviews. It has a rating of 3.6 stars out of 5, which is a good rating given it has over 100,000 downloads. Once again, SlideJoy is the name of this app. Finally, we'll look at the fifth app, where you can make money by doing nothing at all. And this is at moneysmsapp.com. Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to earn money online by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Unfortunately, this app is only available for Android devices. This does not work on iOS devices. You will begin receiving text messages as soon as you download this app. You can simply ignore and delete them. With this app, you can earn money without doing anything at all. And once again, this app is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden costs. Money SMS app is secure. This app does not read your private messages or collect any other information. You can also cash out using a variety of payment methods. The best part is that you can withdraw your money within 48 hours, which is super quick. And they do have a referral program right here on this app where you can refer this app to your friends and earn 30% of their total earnings. And that wraps it up. Those are the 5 free apps to make money online just by doing a small effort or even not doing anything at all. Visit all those apps now and earn a lot of money within a minute. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.